How to add members to group chat and IMO. Alright, let's get straight into it. Want to expand your IMO group chat and bring some more friends in? It's super simple. First things first, let's open up the IMO app. You can see my IMO app right over here. Let's tap on it. Once you're inside it, you can see my group right in the first one. So you can see it right over here. Tap on this. And now you can see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the name of your group, which is right over here. Let's tap on it, and that will take you to the group info. And there you can see an option called add members. Simply tap on it. That will open up a list of contacts that you have on the IMO. You can see all of them right over here. If they are on the IMO, you can just tick the mark and add them up. And if they are not right over here, what you can do is simply tap on this invite right beside the phone number and just invite them with the link. So it's that simple. I will show you how you can add. For example, I want to add this person right over here. Let's tap on this circle, then tap on this tick. So they are blocked by the privacy setting. That means you have to send them a link and they have to accept in order to be in your group. But this is the whole process. If you want to add them, simply tap on invite to the group, then send them an invitation. And it is that simple. And just like that, your new members are in the group. Easy peasy, right? Now you can start chatting with everyone together. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.